Here is draw a neat diagram showing fertilization in a flower, which I'll show you in the next slide. You can draw it as it is, and we need to label pollen tube, male germ cell and female germ cell on it, and explain the process of fertilization in a flower. What happens to the ovary and ovule after fertilization, and the other choices. What is puberty? Describe in brief. The functions of the following parts in the human male reproductive system: testis, seminal vesicle, vas deferens, urethra. Why are testes located outside the abdominal cavity? State how sperms move towards the female germ cell. So the first, let's have a look at the diagram. So here it is, which shows a stigma, pollen grain, pollen tube. So we have labeled some more components as asked in the question, but we should always draw complete diagram when asked. It shows your knowledge and won't take much of your extra time. So it's better to draw the additional components as well. This part is ovary, this is ovule and egg cell with pollen nucleus. This shows the fertilization in plants, and as the pollen grain land on the stigma, the pollen tube formation occurs. The male gametes travel through the pollen tube and enters into the ovule through the micropylar end. The female gamete and male gamete fuses to form zygote, and this process is called as fertilization. Then after fertilization, ovary becomes the fruit and ovule becomes the seed. This is the answer to the part what happens to ovary and ovule after fertilization. Now comes the second part, in which they asked what is puberty. So puberty is the period during which an adolescent reaches sexual maturity and becomes capable of reproduction. And secondly, we have to describe the functions of the following parts in human male reproductive system. So testis is for production of sperms. Seminal vesicle, its secretion contributes to 60% of seminal plasma. Remember this part, which provides the fluid medium for the sperms to swim. And vas deferens carries the sperms from testis to penis. And urethra is a common pathway for both urine and sperm. Then why are testes located outside the abdominal cavity? Testis is located in scrotum outside the abdominal cavity, as it provides temperature required for the synthesis of sperm. This is the reason. Now come state how sperms move towards the female germ cells. Sperms are motile as they have a tail for locomotion. Remember these keywords also. Locomotion you should state there, not in other language. The mitochondria in the midpiece of the sperm provides the energy for the tail to locomote.